The MTF inside bar indicator is a valuable tool which allows traders to view price action coming from multiple timeframes even when viewing price from the lower timeframes. What is the MTF inside bar indicator? The MTF inside bar indicator is a price action indicator which allows traders to view how price action is moving on the higher timeframes while having a lower timeframe chart open. For example, users can view the candles forming on the weekly chart which having the 1-hour chart open. This indicator plots a box around the range between the open and close of the higher timeframe chart. It also plots a vertical line above and below the box to represent the wicks of the higher timeframe bar. The color of the bars also changes depending on the direction of the higher timeframe bar. It plots green bars to indicate a bullish candle and salmon-colored bars to indicate a bearish candle. How the MTF inside bar indicator works. The MTF inside bar indicator uses the price feed coming from the broker's server as a basis for plotting the boxes that would represent the higher timeframe candles. It would then plot the upper and lower borders of the box based on the open and close price levels from the higher timeframe candle. As for the wicks, the indicator would plot the extremes of the vertical lines based on the highs and lows of the higher timeframe candle. The color of the candle would be based on